Hello everyone, welcome back to Spectracs. Today we're going to see how to solve this question. They're asking us to write a program to input the number of electricity units consumed and output the cost we paid. So the conditions here is first 100 units will be free, and after that if it is less than 30 units it is 3.50 per unit. If it is between 30 to 50 units it's 4.25 rupees. If it is 50 to 100 is 5.25 rupees, and if it is greater than 100 it is 5.85 rupees per unit. So let's see how to program a problem. So they have given us 5 conditions. First we have to get the number of units. For units equal to int input enter number of units. Now we have, because the first 100 units are free, we are going to separate it by 100. So the new units will be units minus 100, because the first 100 units is free of cost. Now we are going to check with the remaining. So if new is if new is less than 30, then cost equal to new into 3.50 rupees. It is 3.50. If new is greater than 30 and new is less than or equal to 50, greater than or equal to 30, then cost equal to new into 4.25, and we have to print the cost. So we can write print the cost of the units as cost. So we're going to include this statement in each and every loop over here. So same thing will go here. Next, the third condition, elif if it is 50 to 100. So if new is greater than 50 and new is less than or equal to 100, then cost equal to new into 5.25. Now we have to print it. So print. Next we have the last condition, which is else cost equal to new into 5.85. Now let us print the cost. So first we are going to get the number of units, then minus it with 100, then we have to compare it using the elif and else loop, then we are going to print the cost to the user. Let's see how this works. So let me enter the number of units as 257 and the cost will be 918 rupees 0.4.